Join me as I take on the challenge of building a full-time income online in just 1 year. Let's see if I can make it happen in 2024. Making a full-time income online is not only possible but also very relevant in today's economy. With the rise of the digital age, more and more people are looking for ways to earn a living from the comfort of their own homes. In this video, I'll be sharing with you the step-by-step process of achieving a full-time income online in 2024. One of the biggest challenges people face when trying to earn a full-time income online is the overwhelming amount of misinformation out there. There are so many get-rich-quick schemes and false promises that it's hard to know what's real and what's not. As a result, people can get discouraged and give up before they even get started. Another challenge is the sheer amount of choices available. With so many different online income streams and opportunities, it's hard to know which one to choose and where to focus your efforts. This can lead to a lot of wasted time and energy. Additionally, many people lack the necessary skills and knowledge to succeed online. They may have a great idea, but they don't know how to execute it or market it effectively. And finally, staying motivated and focused is a huge challenge for many people. Earning a full-time income online requires a lot of hard work and dedication, and it's easy to get distracted or lose steam along the way. Freelancing is one legitimate online income stream that many people are using to earn a full-time income. With freelancing, you can offer your skills and services to clients all over the world, from the comfort of your own home. This could be anything from writing and editing to web design and development to social media management and more. Another popular online income stream is e-commerce. With e-commerce, you can start your own online store and sell physical or digital products to customers all over the world. This could be through Amazon FBA, Shopify, or any other e-commerce platform. Affiliate marketing is another way to earn a full-time income online. With affiliate marketing, you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission on any sales generated through your unique referral link. So what's the most effective strategy for achieving a full-time income online in 2024? In my opinion, it's all about building a sustainable online business that generates passive income. This could be through creating and selling online courses, building a membership site, or creating a YouTube channel or podcast with millions of subscribers. The key is to focus on providing value to your audience and building a loyal community of fans and followers. From there, you can monetize your audience through various means, such as selling products or services, offering coaching or consulting, or promoting affiliate products. The most important thing is to stay focused, stay consistent, and keep providing value to your audience. In this video, we've discussed the challenges of earning a full-time income online, explored various legitimate online income streams, and revealed the most effective strategy for achieving success in 2024. Remember, earning a full-time income online is possible, but it requires hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. What's your favorite online income stream, and why? Let me know in the comments. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more videos on how to earn a full-time income online. See you in the next video.